How to start Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners. Introduction. Pinterest, a visual discovery platform with over 400 million active users, is not just a place for creative ideas and inspiration. It's also a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing and eager to get started on Pinterest, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the fundamentals, effective strategies, and expert tips to help you kickstart your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey, even if you're a beginner. Chapter 1. Understanding Pinterest and Affiliate Marketing. To embark on your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey, you must first grasp the basics of both Pinterest and affiliate marketing. Pinterest Basics. Pinterest is a social media platform that allows users to discover and save content, including images, videos, and links to their virtual boards. People often turn to Pinterest for inspiration, recommendations, and ideas, making it a great place for affiliate marketers to connect with their target audience. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or marketers promote products or services on behalf of companies or brands. In return, they earn a commission for each sale, click, or action generated through their referral. Chapter 2. Niche Selection. Choosing the right niche is a crucial first step in affiliate marketing, as your niche will shape the content you create and the audience you target. Personal interest. Begin with niches that genuinely interest you. Your passion and enthusiasm for the niche will be apparent in your content, making it more engaging for your audience. Market demand. Research niches with a significant demand for products or services. Balancing demand with competition is key. Look for niches where you can establish a presence. Affiliate programs. Explore affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank, which host a variety of affiliate programs across different niches. This can help you identify suitable products to promote. Chapter 3. Setting up your Pinterest account. If you don't already have a Pinterest account, here's how to create one and optimize it for your affiliate marketing journey. Sign up. Visit Pinterest's website and sign up using your email or your existing Google or Facebook account. Profile optimization. Fill out your profile with a clear and professional photo, a well-crafted bio, and relevant keywords that reflect your niche. This helps make your profile discoverable. Business account. Consider switching to a Pinterest business account, which provides access to valuable features like Pinterest Analytics. It's free and tailored for business and marketing purposes. Create boards. Set up boards that are relevant to your niche. These boards will serve as the foundation for your affiliate marketing strategy. Ensure you use descriptive and keyword-rich board names. Chapter 4. Finding affiliate programs. Before you can start promoting products, you need to join affiliate programs. Here's how to discover and become part of these programs. Affiliate networks. Sign up for popular affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. These platforms aggregate a wide range of affiliate programs in various niches. Company websites. Visit the websites of companies whose products or services you're interested in promoting. Many companies have affiliate programs that can be found in the footer or in sections like Partner with Us. Contact companies. If a company you're interested in doesn't have a publicly listed affiliate program, don't hesitate to reach out to them directly to inquire about partnership opportunities. Chapter 5. Creating high-quality pins. On Pinterest, visually appealing pins are essential to attract and engage your audience. Here's how to create pins that stand out. Design tools. Use user-friendly design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually compelling pins. These platforms offer templates and customization options that can simplify the design process. Compelling imagery. Use high-resolution images and eye-catching graphics that directly relate to the product or service you're promoting. Visuals should be consistent with your niche and audience preferences. Informative text. Include informative text in your pins that describe the product's benefits, features, and reasons why someone should consider it. Clear and concise descriptions can enhance your pin's appeal. Call to action, CTA. Don't forget to include a clear call to action in your pins. A strong CTA encourages users to take the desired action, such as click here to learn more or get it now. Chapter 6. Pinning Strategies. Once you have your affiliate programs and high-quality pins, it's time to devise an effective pinning strategy. Consistency. Pin regularly to keep your content fresh and engage your audience. It's a good idea to set up a pinning schedule that aligns with your target audience's active hours. Tailwind. Consider using tools like Tailwind, a Pinterest scheduling and analytics platform, to automate your pinning schedule. Tailwind can help optimize your content, increase visibility, and save time. Group boards. Join relevant group boards in your niche. Group boards are an excellent way to expand your reach and connect with a broader audience interested in your niche. Keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and board names. Keywords are crucial for improving the discoverability of your pins when users search for related content. Chapter 7. Measuring and Analyzing. Effective affiliate marketing on Pinterest involves constant evaluation and analysis of your efforts. Pinterest Analytics. Leverage Pinterest Analytics to monitor the performance of your pins. This tool provides valuable insights into metrics such as impressions, clicks, and saves, helping you understand which pins are resonating with your audience. Conversion Tracking. Implement conversion tracking to pinpoint which pins are leading to affiliate sales. Tools like Google Analytics can help you monitor and analyze your website traffic, conversions, and referral sources. /B testing. Experiment with different pin designs, keywords, and posting times to determine what resonates most with your audience. /B testing can help you refine your approach. Audience Insights. Gain a deep understanding of your audience's preferences, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your content to align with what your audience finds most appealing and helpful. Chapter 8. Compliance and Transparency. It's essential to maintain ethical and legal standards in affiliate marketing to build trust with your audience. FTC Guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, guidelines regarding disclosure and transparency in affiliate marketing. Adherence to these guidelines is vital. Disclosures. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships in your pins, blog posts, or other content. Transparency is a cornerstone of affiliate marketing ethics and fosters trust with your audience. Honest reviews. When creating content that reviews products or services, provide honest, unbiased assessments. Authenticity and integrity in your reviews are key to building lasting credibility. Conclusion. Pinterest offers an exciting opportunity for affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner. By understanding Pinterest, selecting the right niche, creating high-quality pins, following ethical guidelines, and consistently analyzing your results, you can embark on a successful affiliate marketing journey. As you gain experience and expand your presence, your affiliate income is likely to grow significantly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.